Are you looking to archive a reel you've shared from your activity on Instagram on your PC? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has recently added this feature. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and look for the More icon, or the three dots. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, click on Your Activity from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the activity on your account. Scroll down to the Photos and Videos section and then click on the Reels section. Here, you will be able to see all the reels you have shared on your account. Click on Select to choose the reel you want to archive. Once you have selected the reel, click on the Archive button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click on Confirm to proceed, and that's it. Your reel has now been successfully archived. You can access it anytime by going to your profile and clicking on the Archived section. With Instagram's new update, archiving a reel you've shared from your activity on Instagram on your PC has never been easier, so go ahead and give it a try today.